फैमिली में मैं और मेरे पापा ही है। मेरी मम्मी की भी डेथ बिकॉज ऑफ टीबी के वजह से हुई थी एंड लास्ट ईयर आई लॉस्ट माय ब्रदर आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ सेम।
In general, we start with patients like, क्या करे, you know, like there's a lot of helplessness and hopelessness in that word, you know, क्या करे sir, you know, क्या करे लाइफ में, क्या करे, you know, from that when a patient goes to क्या कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, to मैं कर सकता हूँ, is a huge transition.
MSF has been working in Mumbai since the 90s. Initially, MSF did some interventions for TB, and now the project is working primarily for drug-resistant TB. We offer a comprehensive patient-centered model of care, where not only the biomedical treatment, but also taking care of the patient's psychosocial needs. When a TB patient is resistant to two of the key first-line drugs, isoniazid and rifampicin, we call it MDR-TB or multi-drug resistant TB. And when a patient is resistant to two of the key second-line drugs, the fluoroquinolone and the injectable, we call it extensively drug-resistant TB or XDR-TB. So initially when the patient comes to the clinic, we do a panel of drug susceptibility testing for the patient. We also identify and train a healthcare provider in the community to provide day-to-day support for the patient's treatment, identify side effects, provide injections to the patient, and as and where the patient has serious side effects, to advise him to get followed up at the MSF clinic or one of the identified hospitals.
The plan we make is not just based on the clinical judgment. It is a holistic plan, and the plan is individualized to each patient.
So if you have to dedicate 2 years of your treatment, you are the breadwinner of your family. How about if we support you with ration? So dry ration is an important component of social support over here. If adherence is an issue, remembering pills is an issue, so how about we appoint a buddy for you? She is your buddy. So how would it be if she helps you remember the medicines, if she helps you make the medicine, she helps you with the dosage?
The drugs that we use are at least 50 years old. After 50 years, we have now 2 drugs. These are bedaquiline and delamanid. At the moment in India, bedaquiline is available within the national program. Delamanid is soon going to be available. However, for the patients outside the program in the private sector, these drugs are available only on compassionate use grounds. There are a lot of patients for whom we need to provide these 2 new drugs in combination, because the extent of drug resistance in these patients is so much that we are not able to build an effective regimen.
The treatment given at MSF Mumbai Clinic is hope, because it's for patients who have no options left. These are the patients who need the new drugs.
अभी मेरी भी दवाई टीटी हो गई ना, तो मेरा भाई भी होता तो उसकी भी दवाई अभी खत्म हो जाती।
ये दवाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्योरेबल है, इससे पूरा ठीक होने का पूरा चांसेस है। जितने भी यहाँ के पेशेंट्स हैं, मैंने देखा है कि सब क्योर हो रहे धीरे धीरे, सब ठीक हो रहे हैं।